Hello, howdy, welcome back to my channel. Here I am in a lovely environment right now. It feels very good and I can feel the oxygen. So I will show you some solutions for a technical problem, and I think it will help you. And if it does, please consider subscribing to my channel and support me like that. See you. Thank you and thank you for watching the video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing my channel. You can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. Bye.